What's up guys, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a card label on a Wise. Simple, tap on cards at the bottom, then scroll down and you will find edit card. Click on that and here you have the card label. You can type that in. So for example, I can type Andrew and this is going to basically add the card label for me. I click on done, then click on confirm, and that's how I add a card label there. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. So that's how you go ahead and add a card label to your cards. Now as you can see here, for this card it just shows digital card, but if I switch over you can see this card shows that it has the card label and shows Andrew. So you can use card for different things. So while I name this Andrew, I can name this to, for example, online payments or whatever it is, or shopping, grocery, or subscription. I can name the card whatever, or pay for tech. Let's say I want to say pay for tech. I can go ahead and I can name this whatever I want, and that's going to be the label that is going to be assigned to that specific card. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.